If you're after a 4-season budget setup that's going to keep you warm, it's going to have strength and security in your setup, then this is the video for you. Keep watching, because this is what I love on my channel. I love sharing things that aren't a fortune. Yes, I have had tents and I have had sleeping bags and I have had other things which are expensive, but you don't need it. There is a time and a place for things, but this setup here is absolutely brilliant. So yeah, let's have a look at this. So this is the Nature Hike Rock 60 litre. It's a 50+10, and the 10 comes from the side pocket, so that's 5 in there, 5 in there. I paid about £75 for this many years ago. I've did 60+ camps with it. It's been hammered. I've repaired it many a times, and the front stretchy pockets, that's just off being rough. But what a great bag it is. So you've got the main compartment itself. Inside of there's a pocket which I put like my poo kit and things like that in, first aid kits. Big stretchy pocket here on the back. Got the 2 side pockets. We've also got these strings here which compress it in, so they're the compression strings, but they also keep me tripod and things like that in. Hip belt pockets each, not massive, but they do the job. Nice thick padding there on the shoulder straps. It comes with a bottle holder on that side, and then underneath at the bottom here we have the zip pocket to a waterproof cover with a drain hole, so if you put it back in it's wet, it does come out. It's got a nice thick backing on, nice padding. It doesn't matter what bag you have, you're always going to sweat, so don't worry about picking bags that are like this. That's the hip belt there, as you can see, nice and thick padding there. It's got tethering points throughout the front, there and there. See, I've had it years, keep coming back to it all the time. Fantastic bag. I'm 6'2" and it fits me perfect. Second item is a tent. So this is an Optimus Nomad V2. The difference between this and the V1 is the guy lines. They are a different material. They're a little bit thicker, a little bit stronger. We have a zip on the top for the door to come down so you can vent it when you're cooking. Inside of here we've got more storage, so you have more storage at the back along here. You can open and close the vents from the inside. It weighs 1.8 kilograms. Some nice specs about it, which I'll put on the screen now. Yeah, what a nice tent. It's got a vent here, a vent there. You pitch it into the wind on the other side, which is more narrow. It's like a 1.5 person size. I'll show you why on the inside. Yeah, this is the wind driven side. The door opens from this side, so the wind will come down and bounce off it. That's a footprint which you can add on for around £28. Gear storage bag, which is really handy. It just keeps stuff in, doesn't let them roll out, such as bottles of water. But that's the extra space you get. Similar to a Hillyberg Solo. Comes with 8.5mm poles, a nice clip system, double guy lines. You know, great tent, an absolute great tent. That there is around £295. You can sign up and get a discount of 5% to go onto the mailing list. So yeah, for £295 plus a little bit of discount. Next up we'll have the quilt. So this is an ice flame quilt. There's different variations on this. This quilt here is £200. You can get them on offers. They do go up to around £220. So this one here, as you can see by the ticker there, is an extra quilt NXT. It's extra large and it's broad. So you can do a custom fill on this. I've chose a 480 gram fill one there. You might be able to see there. So 480 grams of the fill power. Just explain it a little bit better in English there. So that's what it comes down to. 480 gram fill, 95% duck down. All in, it weighs roughly around 700 grams. It's very aesthetically pleasing. You can see the down on the inside there. Comes with a toggle on the top to clip it together. All the way along, it comes with the hooks on the side, so it has a pad strap on. You get 2 of them. A cinching point at the top, and at the bottom, as I say, it's sewn in. So for the winter, for being a quilt, this is what you want. You want it so it does keep your feet warm in there. But yeah, very nice features, a nice quilt. I've had the old ones for years. This one here is brilliant. So for 200 quid, you cannot go wrong. It does differ in price due to the custom fill you want. But if I was you, I would get the highest fill power you can get. So I think the highest one is about 580. And that just means that you're going to have more in it. But in the summer, you can open it up and vent it. Next on the list is this pad here. I have had it for years. Can you see the mould? Big Agnes Rapide SL. This is a long wide. This was £140. The prices go all over for these. You get £140, it's got an R value of 4.2 this one. The newer ones are a 4.7. As you can see, it's a long mat. It's 11 centimeters wide on the outside and 10 in the middle. Very comfortable. I've had no problems with it. I haven't had any webbing come away. I've had no insulation come away. I've had a lot of other expensive ones fail, but this is a mat to keep coming back to. It weighs around 820 grams. It's not the lightest, but in the winter, insulation is weight. Last but not least, the flex tail pillar. The reason I like this for is it has a strap there and put around the pad so it doesn't slide away, which is great. And if you look at the side of it, it's actually tapered, so you can have it either way you want. Yeah, nice pad. That there was £15 after that pillow when I got that, so very cheap. It doesn't weigh much either. Hope you found this helpful. This setup is around £600 to £700. You can get it cheap if you buy it second hand, which I would go for. But yeah, that is cheap for a winter setup. You might not sound cheap, but look at the tents I've had in the past with Hillyberg solos, you're talking like £1,300 new. This is a quarter of the price, so the saving is absolutely massive. Down sleeping bags, things like that, £450. Don't get us wrong, you can get warmer systems than this, but do you really need it? It depends on where you're going. So get your equipment catered for where you're going, if that makes sense. But yeah, have a look second hand. But this is cheap, believe it or not, for a winter wild camping setup. It's on a budget, but it's safe. I know a lot of things that are cheap are actually shit. Don't get us wrong. But from many years of wild camping, I've been through a lot of them. Tents, sleeping bags, quilts, pads and all that, and bags. I've had various bags. Like I say, I keep going back to this bag. It's absolutely fantastic. But yeah, I hope this has helped a lot. Any questions, drop them in the comments. There's my Instagram. Go on there. If you want to send us a message or look at some of my stuff, feel free. I do like helping people out in getting new equipment if they haven't been wild camping before. And as always, I'll see you on the next one.